This is how you can increase your follower in Instagram. As you can see right now, I have only 2 followers. Now I'm gonna show you the live process, how to increase the follower in Instagram. Now you have to search the million profile follower. As for example, I'll search The Rock and I will follow for now, and again I will unfollow. You have to tap 5 times. Now 5 times is done. Now you have to refresh your profile. 1, again refresh it, again refresh it. Okay, yes, it's done. 1 follower. Very live. In this way you can increase your follower. Okay guys, I will try it once again, and this will be a little different from before. This time I will tap 10 times follow and unfollow. Let me see how much follower will be added. As you can see, 1 follower is added. Now I will go to my profile and I will refresh it again. As you can see, 2 followers is added. Within 2.5 minutes, 3 followers is added. So this is how it is done, guys. And you can follow this process and you can increase your follower. I did this for more than 20 minutes and I've got 16 to 20 followers. But guys, you should be very careful for doing this. Don't be too greedy. For at least you can do 50 times. Don't do more than that. And this is my suggestion. Go for 50 followers per day and give a good content. I will leave this video for 1 minute and you can see this is a live experience, and you can see the followers, how it is adding. So enjoy the video. This is pure organic and it's not edited. I'm gonna end up my video and I have got right now 22 followers. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and comment me down below, and we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you very much.